So guys, these days there are so many ways you can make money online, and some of them are not really real. So what nobody is telling you these days is that all these crypto exchanges, they have programs which, if you really follow up with it, you are going to really make real amount of money from there. You can benefit from both their airdrop tokens, launch pool, and some specific types of rewards and other stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to be more about gate.io, and only opening the app, only you can see there is this opportunity that you can see is being displayed, which you can win Tesla Y claim token to loved ones. So that one is there, but I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about a very interesting airdrop that you can get your hands on it, and you can just perform some simple tax on it, and you can earn money just like that. So this is what people are not really telling you, or this is what nobody is telling you in the crypto space currently. Now, most ways people make money on this crypto stuff is not just by trading, it's majorly from this launch pool, rewards, candy drops, and all the stuff that all these exchanges offer. So now I'm going to be talking about gate.io, and if you do not have the app, all you need to do is to go straight to your Play Store. If you are using an Android, if you go to your Play Store, you can just go to the search section here and type in gate, and you're going to see gate.io exchange here. You can just easily download it, and if your own is outdated, you can just update it and then install it. And if you have not yet created an account, you can automatically create an account from the app, or you can create an account on their official website. If you go to Google and you type gate.io, they are going to be bringing their official site up for you. You can create an account there, and also I'm going to be leaving my referral or invitation code or my invitation link in the description section of this video. If you are watching from YouTube, all you need to do, you just need to copy it and paste it in your browser, because currently clicking direct links from my video descriptions on YouTube is currently off. So you need to copy it and take it to your browser, and then impute that, and then you can open and register. And note this, whenever you register with my invite link or my invite details, you're going to be getting bonuses whenever you make your first recharge, or whenever you make your first trades on this exchange. And also I'll be getting commissions also. So that is another fun part of it. And with that being said, and you understanding that and how to set up your gate.io account, and make sure after setting up your gate.io account, do make sure you run all the verifications so that using the app will be smooth and easy for you. So after that, then you can come to this launch pool section here, and when you click on the launch pool section, it's going to bring you to this page where you can see there are so many launch pools project that is currently ongoing here. So you can see this one is the DL airdrop, and you can see that it ends in 3 days time. You can see the OVPP airdrop, and you can see this one also will be ending in 3 days time. If you go down, you can see portals, and you can see HP, and you can see AVNT airdrops in this launch pool section here. So you can see that all the times that this launch pool is going to be ending is being listed below it. You can see here this one is lasting for 4 days, and that is it. So today I'll be talking about this candy drop section. Like, if you come to the top section of this, if you scroll down, you see there is a launch pool section here. You can see alpha points, hodler airdrops, and the rest, but I'm going to be talking majorly about the candy drops airdrops. So I'll just click on it, and you can see about, if you check here, you can see there are so many candy airdrops that are available here. You can see their ending times, and you can see their numbers of participants and all that. So if you go on there, you can see this airdrop. You can see number of its participants is about 4,720 members currently, and it is ending in about 10 days time. So if you go down, you can see for this, which this is switch or what. So go down again, you can see some other ones. So in this video, I'm going to be talking majorly on the AA airdrop, which is this. So this is currently ongoing. If you check it at the top, and currently the number of participants here is about 8,754 members currently, and you can see airdrop type is trade and invite. So the tax you're going to be performing here, you can trade and you're going to earn the airdrop, and you can also invite and you're going to be earning the airdrops. So you can see ending in, that is the ending time is about 3 days from now, and you can see 3 days 19 hours 49 minutes. So you can see currently this airdrop When I click on join now, it's going to open this page, and you can see that the AA Airdrop, or the ARAI, is building the next generation interaction layer for Web3 powered by autonomous AI agents. So you can see that is what they're saying about it. And if you come down here, the total price pool is about 1.1 million AA tokens. So you can see participants here is about 8,757 members, and you can see the allocated candies here is about 9,047. And if you go down, you can see the event end in 3 days from now. So to join, you can complete the task to share 1.1 million AA prize pool. So you can see in futures trading, to share 1.1 million AA, all you need to do here is to create an account, which I've just showed you how to do so, and then log in. And after logging in, all you need to do is to trade these tokens, or the AA tokens, on futures trading mission. So you can see that you really need to trade about 1,000 USDT worth of this AA tokens. So you can see, and at this section, after trading all that, you are going to complete this second level tax, and from there you can see the other tier 2 tax there. You trade 2,000 USDT, and you are going to be completing this, and you are going to be gaining rewards if you do all that. So the tier 3, you can trade up to 5,000 USDT on futures trading on this AA token, and you're going to be earning rewards. And you can see the 5 candies is about, you can see that in this type 4 you can trade about 7,000 USDT. So on each of these tags that you trade, let's say you trade 1,000 USDT, you're going to be getting 1 candy, and the worth is about 62.041737. that is 62 AA worth of the token, and you're going to be getting 62 AA token after trading this 1,000 USDT on futures trade. And the AA futures trading mission 2, which is the tier 2, you can trade 2,000 USDT. When you complete trading 2,000 USDT on futures trading on this, and you're going to be getting the about 2 candies, and that's worth about 124 AA tokens. So you can just click on this join. After creating the account, click on the join section here, and it's going to show you the futures trading interface and all that. And after you perform all that, and you can start gaining rewards and benefits from it. So that's just how it is, and this is the major ways people are using currently on exchanges, but they are not telling you. So make sure you get your hands on this and start making or earning these airdrops. So if you come to the invite section, which is the second tax on this airdrop, you can just, as this section, they are saying invite new friends to share 5,000, to share 500,000. Sorry about that. Here they are saying invite new friends to share 550,000 AA tokens, and you can see the total token there. They are saying it 550,000. Individual share limit is about 1,000 AA token, and you can see that after you have checked in all this, you can just come here and click on the join section and complete the task. So the more you refer into this program, you are going to be getting this AA token. So you can see 1 candy worth about 1,000 AA tokens here. So you can see for every friend you invite whose spot trading volume in AA reaches over 100 USDT, you will receive 1 candy with a maximum of 10 times. So you can see that's what they're saying here. And in the clean up to this section is the tax, complete tax section here. So the rule 3 here, they are saying clean up to 1,000 AA here, and they say reward will be distributed on the 20th of this month, and you can see it's about 1 o'clock, and you can see the time section here. The actual arrival time shall prevail. So if you see activity rules here, you can read it and understand everything you need to know. So this is another easy ways that people are really making money on the internet, and nobody is really talking about it, and this is why I decided to make videos about these stuffs. So if you're interested in this and you know you are capable of doing this and it will not be hard for you to do, just jump on it and then claim your airdrops, and you can get rewards from it by just completing all these easy things you need to do on the Gate.io exchange. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. I don't want to make this video more longer than this, or I don't want to make it more lengthier than this. I'm going to be stopping right here. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you join my Telegram channel because I always drop interesting update and also futures trading signals, and I also drop forex trading signals, especially gold trading. So just go and check out on my Telegram channels and you see what I'm saying. And also I do give away deals also, so make sure don't miss out on that. So make sure you are part of the community and you make good benefit from the Telegram channel. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you are going to try this airdrop out and you can see for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Peace.